Okay, so the way that Brussels Hustle works is I'm gonna give you a base recipe, and then we're gonna add things to it along the way.
Gotcha.
So you can start with just the base, which is my easy orange roasted Brussels sprouts, okay?
Gotcha.
So it's just Brussels sprouts that have been shaved with a knife, or you put them into your little food processor. You get a little bit of orange zest over the top.
Madame.
Which I'm gonna do right now. You're gonna add in some olive oil if you want, about a teaspoon or a tablespoon or so. Salt and pepper, that's it. The oven is set at 425 degrees for all of these recipes, and this is only gonna take about 20 to 25 minutes to cook.
Because it's shaved super thin.
Because it's shaved, and that's gonna really help you free up time around Thanksgiving.
Yeah, and the heat gives it a layer of flavor.
Now, the second one is we're just gonna have fun with it. We're gonna do a bacon and onion roasted Brussels sprout. So it's the same base. It's the olive oil, salt and pepper, the orange zest, your Brussels. Gonna add in some thick cut bacon that we chunked down. Extra credit if you find that peppered bacon. And then some onion in. Now,
Brussels Hustle #1!
Oh, hey! All right, gonna add in some paprika to kind of marry and help that smokiness of the bacon come out, but this is exactly the same. That goes in the oven, 425. Hustle those Brussels! For this one, this is my favorite, and you wouldn't imagine the word salad is in the title. This is my roasted Brussels sprout and pear salad.
Yum!
Everything the same. We're gonna add in 2 pears that you chop down. Leave the skin on, it's the holidays, we don't have enough time. And then we're gonna put in some pumpkin pie spice, and then I take some pecan halves, I get out of my freezer, and I twist them. Just twist them. You're not chopping them, just twist them.
Twist.
Or just put them in your hand and get real. You
Or.
know what I'm saying? Toss that together, 425 in the oven. Gonna toss over some cranberries that are from your pantry that are dried. And now to the final one. Okay, so this is very simple. It's just my roasted Brussels and potatoes, and all you want, it's spicy as well. So what I like to do is I season the tray, olive oil, salt, and pepper, then I put the fingerling potatoes down.
Oh, I love that. Gets extra crunchy and good.
They're seasoned and everything, right? 425 degree oven. We've got the paprika's gonna go in.
Little OJ on this? You want a little squish?
Yeah, a little squeeze. That's what I do with the orange when I'm done with it. You know, getting the zest, just squeeze it at the very end.
Give a little squish. I squished all 3.
Squish, yeah.
I squished all 3 for you,
Squish
babe.
it, girl. Now,
I did
over
it.
the top of your potatoes, put the Brussels, okay?
Ooh, I love this.
Then I've got some jalapenos.
Oh, that's gonna be my jam.
Over the top. Bring